Right, I'm going to show you how to make a printing block out of some cardboard and some craft foam, and you can also use other bits and pieces such as string, tape, and bits that you can find around the house, really. This one's been made of cut out craft foam and different types of string here. I'll quickly show you what that looks like when I print it. Just going to get a little bit of paint. I'm just going to very carefully just dab that on. You have to be quite quick because you don't want it to dry too quickly on the print block. If I just reverse that, put some pressure on it. And just carefully lift it up. It should leave a quite nice printed impression there. Again, here's one that's made of craft foam, it's literally glued with some Pritt stick or some PVA onto a card. Just going to add a little bit of paint. I'm going to paint it on this time. If you paint it on, you might get a more sort of a brush stroke effect on your print. If you sponge it, it will be a bit more even toned. So I'm just going to have a go at pressing that down. And then lifting it off again, and that's left quite a nice leaf impression that time. So you can reuse these little print blocks quite a few times before they end up a bit too rough to use anymore. So you don't necessarily need to mount it onto wood. You can just make sort of more temporary print blocks like this. Right, so I've got my piece of cardboard and I've got a little piece of craft foam here. So I decided I'm going to make like a little sort of house print block. So I'm just going to, with a biro, because it shows up a bit better, I'm just going to draw out a very basic house shape. And I've got to be mindful that I want things to show up, so certain bits I'm going to have to cut out and leave as gaps on my print block. So I'm just going to do literally quite a simple little house with 4 windows and a door. Might not be able to see that very well on here, but I can just about show you. Hopefully that shows up. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out these shapes. then I'm just going to do the roof. It's going to go on like that. So I'm going to get a bit of glue.